Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2016 Charger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.